Hey guys, it's Brian with B-Stride DIY. I'm at Home Depot right now. We're going to check out some of their 50% off deals and savings, and I'll keep an eye out for their Halloween stuff as well. Now, this is right before I walked in. It said up to 50% off patio furniture. Looks like they're making room for Christmas items. So these are some offset solar LED lights. So these are half off at $299. I wouldn't have paid $600 for them, but hey, they're half off here. These are the large ones. They have different colors. I saw like blue and red, but these are the huge ones that are solar powered, and then they come on at night. I had this hammock stand for $74, $24 for this 42-inch glass dining table. It was $99, so that's more than half off. And then $79 for this metal glider. Try to get a good view of the glider in just a second. There's the square table. I think that's the same price as the circular one. Now this is from Hampton Bay. I'm going to try to move my camera in here to get a better view. And that's what the glider looks like. Now coming over to this area, this is up to 50% off all of these patio items basically. Now I'm going to zoom in, and this first one here, it looks like is the Rosemont Black Love Seat for $124. It was $249. And you can see the chair kind of up above the price here. They had the steel slat stacking chair for $32. The woven chair with cushion for $44. It was $89. And then the sling stack chair, the stacking chair, which was $14.99. And all those were half off. Now these are some Adirondack chairs. I didn't see them on the sign, but these are the same prices and they're half off as well. As you can see, they just need to be hosed off or something, but they're pretty nice at $14. And they had this Home Sweet Home sign for half off as well at $19. Now this is the opposite side of that same sign here. For $89, they had this Chase Sunbrella chair. This other Riverbed one was $104. That wasn't half off, but that was $50 less. And then these stacking chairs for half off, and this red one for $20. They had these Christmas trees out. It looks like they were ready to get these going. This is where they usually put the Christmas trees, in this area. I didn't see any Halloween stuff yet, but we'll keep an eye out. These are some red patio tables, it looks like, or some side tables for $29. They were $59, so half off. And then they, from Hampton Bay, these are half off at $25 lanterns. Now $179, this is from Hampton Bay as well. It's a bronze heat focusing patio heater. It was $249. And this is one of those things where if you're at a nice restaurant, you have to eat outside or hang around outside. It's one of the large kind of heating lamps that they have. So that's pretty nice. Now this is one for $299. This is a fire pit. Was $449. They are trying to get rid of these fire pits. Basically every fire pit that I saw was yellow tagged in this store, and I'll show you the one that has been here for a while and they've marked down quite a bit. Now for $179, there's this one. It was $219, so not as deep a savings, but it's got the door you can open up and the little propane hookup there. Now stick around to the end. I'm going to show you the clearance aisle, official clearance aisle, to see what they have there. Now from Hampton Bay, this is a more modern design fire pit for $229. It was $269, so $40 off on this one. And now this is the official area of the fire pits, $199. They've been trying to get rid of this one. I think last month it was like $249. I think it was over $400, yeah, $479 originally. That's the Summerfield 44-inch. Then they had all these other ones. Now I'm going over to the power tools in just a second, but make sure to like this video, guys, if you're finding value from it. So this is from Echo. It's the 56-volt 12-inch top handle chainsaw tool. It's $315. It was $629. Looks like the previous price was $369 from the, they didn't take the old tag up, they just put the new one on it. Now this is what it looks like from the side. I'm not too aware of the Echo brand. Let me know if you've heard of it. But it has the nice side grip here and the top-down handle. And this looks like it comes with the battery and charger as well. Now from Ryobi One Plus, this is their 18-volt 10-inch chainsaw. This is a better view from the side of this. And this is $110. It's yellow tagged. It was $219. So you're getting half off on this deal. And this is the it comes with the tool, 4-amp-hour battery and charger here. Now here we have the $79 6-inch pruning chainsaw. Now this is the tool only. It was $99, and now for $99, it was $129, is this 350 CFM blower kit. Now that does come with it's the kit, so it comes with the battery and charger here, it looks like. But the 6-inch chainsaw just comes with the tool. They did have a lot of DeWalt and Milwaukee deals. Now for $249 is this dual battery blower, and then for $299 is the 16-inch 18-volt chainsaw. It was $329. Now for $199 they still had this Ryobi vacuum. Was $249, I believe. They're asking you to try it out. This comes with everything you need as well, battery and charger. Now this was interesting. This is a Ryobi Link Speed Bench. So with this you can carry your tools in it. It converts from like a dolly into like a bench. So you can mount your miter saw on it. It's got this little compartment here that you can put smaller tools in. I think it can carry up to 300 pounds. So this is the 18-volt, 4.5-inch angle grinder cutoff tool. It's $70. It is the tool only. That's 50% off. Now this is the Ryobi job site fan for $59. This is the tool only as well in store. I did see on Slick Deals that if you buy it online, you can actually get a free battery. Just double check that because I did see that online and people confirmed it. Now from Ridgid, this is that deal for $133 where it's a combo set where you get the drill driver kit with the circular saw, battery and charger for $133. It was $189. I think that's one of the best deals here. And again, that's from Ridgid. They have their warranty on all their tools, batteries. I think it's a lifetime warranty. This is from Milwaukee. They have their job site speaker. It's a Bluetooth speaker for $143. It was $229. So this has a 5-year warranty on this. And now if you buy this starter kit for $199, it's the 18-volt system battery kit. You get one of these for free. The $99 Searchlight, Rover floodlight, or the M18 mounting floodlight. Now for $179, this is not part of that deal, but you get the Rocket 18-volt dual power tower light. And I actually found the Halloween stuff. It was on the opposite side of the store. If you're a Milwaukee person, they had a lot of Milwaukee deals here. So this is if you buy this impact wrench for $249, you're going to get this socket set for free. It's a 9-piece 1/2-inch drive 6-point deep socket set, valued at $55, or actually $65, but if you buy it separately, it's $55. For $99, you get this compact blower. It was $129. For $249, it was $299. You get the hammer drill driver kit. That's a $616 value. $179 is the inflator, 18-volt inflator, and then $299 is the 2-pack 6-amp-hour 18-volt battery kit. When you buy one of these M18 tools, the multi-tool, the orbital sander, oscillating 18-volt tool, wet dry vac, or the 2-tool kit, you get a free battery valued at $99. They also had these 250 lumen pen lights, $59 hat headlamps. That was $77. And they had this magnetic stick light as well. Now when you buy this 2-tool combo kit for $229, you're going to be getting one of these free tools. The $79 USB floodlight, oscillating multi-tool, soldering iron, or the 12-volt ratchet. Down below here, when you get this $229 12-volt cable stapler, you get 2 free staple packs, valued at $33. Random question, do you know if you can bring dogs in Home Depot or Lowe's? I know it's changed over the last decade, but just let me know if you know. So for $129, they've got this red lithium high 2-pack 18-volt battery. And then when you buy this starter kit for $199, this is the 2 battery starter kit, the M12 charger, and then the XC 6.0 batteries. You're going to get one of these tools for free. So it looks like the ratchet, pole saw, circular saw, job site blower. And make sure that you can pause these and just look back if I'm going too fast. Sorry about that, guys. Now DeWalt has these nailers. It looks like all these are about $30 to $50 off the regular price. And then they're doing, this is Ryobi, they're doing their tiered system where you can get one tool from the $59 section, $89 or $99. They kind of list the different tools you can get. And then they have the 4-tool kit for $159. Now when you buy this M12 starter kit for $129, you can get one of these tools. Looks like the stapler, the job site radio, blower, impact driver, and the Dremel kit. Now for $99, you can get the floodlight or the drill driver kit. That one was $129. Now these are about 70% off. These are like for tomatoes and vegetables. to help kill insects if you're having issues with that. It's about $2 and $4, and they were about 3 times that. Now, if you're looking for some LED outdoor lights, it's probably the time to get them, or at least the last few months it has been. All of these are yellow tagged, whether it's indoor, outdoor wall lights, motion sensor, solar, they're all yellow tagged. Now from Ryobi, this is a mulcher. It's a 40-volt mulcher. With the bag, it's included. This is $129. It was $149. Nothing crazy there, about $20. But this one right next to it, it had a little bit better savings. This is the 40-volt brushless blower. $199. It was $259. So you're saving about $60 on that one. I did miss these when I was in the patio furniture section. These are some coffee tables. They're wicker and glass for $37. These are half off. They were $74. These are pretty nice size. I mean, it's coffee table size, but they'd be great for like an outdoor patio or... All right, next we're going over to the clearance section. I only saw one clearance section at this Home Depot, but they did have some Klein tools, which were interesting. But before I get to that, they did have some fans with Bluetooth speakers for $159. They didn't have the previous price on them, so who knows what they were beforehand. So again, these are Klein tools brand. This is the Extended Reach Coax Crimper. All these are half off. This is the non-contact voltage tester. I think that one was $14. And then the ratcheting modular crimper here. I think that was $17. It was $33. They also had this mini torch as well, which was interesting. Check out this next video, guys. I go over Harbor Freight coupons that are going on right now through the month of September. Thanks, guys.